Marhaba ya jama'a and welcome back to another video. Today we have a very interesting video where we're going to learn how to say various dialects in the Arabic speaking world as well as foreign languages. We'll also learn vocab relating to these topics. As a reminder, what we will learn will be in the Levantine Arabic dialect. By the way, you can find the vocab sheet corresponding to this video in my Shami speakers store. I'll have it linked here in the video and in the description box. You can also find it in my shopping tab on YouTube. I also have a bunch of uploads of vocab sheets for previous videos, and please let me know in the comments below what past videos you would like to see vocab sheets for so that I can prioritize that and upload it to the store. With that said, let's get into some vocab. Here's how to say language. The singular form language is pronounced لغة. لغة. Languages is the plural form and it's pronounced لغات. لغات. Foreign language. لغة أجنبية. لغة means language and أجنبية means foreign. Since the word لغة is feminine, the adjective أجنبية is also feminine. لغة أجنبية. Here's how to say accent or foreign accent. لكنة. لكنة. Dialect or accent. لهجة. لهجة. In this next section, we're going to focus on Arabic dialects. Here's how to say the language Arabic in a formal way. اللغة العربية. اللغة means the language and العربية means the Arabic. اللغة is in the feminine form and therefore the adjective Arabic also has to be in the feminine form. So the proper way of saying a language, or the way it's said in modern standard Arabic, is in the feminine form because technically the specific language is a descriptor or adjective of the word language, which is feminine. However, in colloquial speech in Levantine Arabic, you won't often hear it said like this. Instead, in everyday speech in Levantine Arabic, you'll hear it pronounced as Arabi, which is the masculine form. Arabi. So there's two things to note here. First, we drop the word اللغة, which means the language, and second, we put it in the masculine form. This format is a much more common way to refer to any language in the Levantine dialect. However, if you want to say any language in a more formal way, you would say اللغة followed by the language in the feminine form. I also want to mention that these descriptors can be used to describe someone. So to say a masculine person or thing is Arab, you would say Arabi. Arabi. To say a feminine person or thing is Arab, you would say Arabiyye. Arabiyye. To refer to modern standard Arabic or classical Arabic, in Arabic, you would say Arabi Fusha. Arabi means Arabic and Fusha means formal. Arabi Fusha. Commonly, we drop the first word Arabi and just say Fusha. Fusha. Now, at the opposite end of the spectrum, we have colloquial language or colloquial Arabic, which is Ammiye. Ammiye. And this refers to any colloquial Arabic dialect. When we talk about Arabic dialects, they can be categorized into broad groups of regions that share similar dialects, and we can also zoom in and talk about specific dialects within these groups. Let's first start off with the broad groups. We're starting off with the one that is taught on this channel, which is Levantine Arabic. This is referred to as Shami in Arabic. Shami. This dialect emerges from the Levant region, which is called the Sham region in Arabic. You might hear people saying Ahl al-Sham, which means the family of the Sham or the people of the Sham, and this means the people of the Levant region. The countries included in the Levant region are Lebanon, Palestine, Jordan, and Syria. People from these countries are referred to as Ahl al-Sham. And these group of countries are referred to as Bilad al-Sham, which means the countries of the Sham, or the countries of the Levant region. Next we have Gulf Arabic, which is Khaliji. Khaliji. This includes countries like Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, and parts of Oman. Some countries have their own group of dialects, for instance, Iraqi Arabic, otherwise known as Mesopotamian. In Arabic, it is said as Iraqi, Iraqi. Now, in my previous videos, do you remember how I said in most Levantine dialects, the qaf is replaced with the hamza or glottal stop sound? Well, in proper nouns like the name of countries, this does not always happen. Some people will opt to keep the qaf sound. So we still say Iraqi and pronounce the qaf sound instead of saying Iraqi. Now, Iraqi or Iraqi is of course spoken in Iraq, but it's also spoken in parts of Syria, Iran, and southeastern Turkey. Sudanese Arabic, Sudani, Sudani. Yemeni Arabic, Yemeni, Yemeni. Next we have North African Arabic, which is Darija in Arabic. Darija. Darija is a family of dialects emerging from North Africa in countries like Morocco, Algeria, and Libya. It is one of the most unique and hardest to understand Arabic dialects, as it has heavy influences from French, Spanish, and Amazigh languages, also known as Berber. This dialect has the most unique pronunciation, cadence, and vocabulary compared to other Arabic dialects, making it even difficult for native Arabs who speak a different dialect to understand. Egyptian Arabic, Masri, Masri. So while Egypt is in North Africa, they do not speak Darija. They sound quite different from their own North African counterparts, and therefore they refer to their dialect as Masri. This is a super popular dialect as many classic Arabic TV shows and movies emerge from Egypt. I find it easy to understand because I grew up watching these TV shows, but others may find it a little bit more challenging to understand. One of the main differences is in the way the letter Jim is pronounced. In Egyptian Arabic, it's pronounced like the letter G in game. For instance, the word beautiful in MSA and Levantine Arabic is pronounced as Jamil. In Egyptian Arabic, it's pronounced Gemil. Jamil, Gemil. So we just covered the major groups of Arabic dialects, and now we're going to talk about how we can zoom in and talk about dialects in regards to specific countries. Let's look at an example. If we want to say in Moroccan Arabic, we would say bil Maghribi. The prefix letter ba means in, el means the, and Maghribi means Moroccan. Bil Maghribi. You could also say in the Moroccan dialect. باللهجة المغربية. باللهجة means in the dialect. المغربية means the Moroccan. The first noun, باللهجة, is feminine, so the adjective Moroccan is also going to be in the feminine form. That's why we say المغربية instead of المغربي. We can also extend these examples to other countries, like in Lebanese Arabic. باللبناني. باللبناني. The prefix letter ba means in, el, which is the letters alif and lam, means the, Lubnani means Lebanese. In the Lebanese dialect, باللهجة اللبنانية. باللهجة means in the dialect, اللبنانية means the Lebanese. Once again, we're using the feminine form of Lebanese because باللهجة is a feminine noun. So we say اللبنانية instead of اللبناني. باللهجة اللبنانية. So as you can see, there are so many Arabic dialects. And if you're interested in getting one-on-one tutoring in a specific dialect, I highly recommend the platform italki. It's a game changer. They have an extensive network of online tutors who are native speakers in various Arabic dialects. You can set up your own schedule and personalize your goals for an affordable price. You can set up as many or as little lessons as you want. Use the link displayed here and you'll get $10 after your first purchase. I'll also have the link in the description box. If you do end up using it, leave a comment below describing your experience and what you learned. Next, we're going to learn how to say different foreign languages. We're going to go by region, so let's start with the Americas. English, Inglese, Inglese. Spanish, Hispani, Hispani. The letter B is used as a replacement for the letter P, as there is no P sound in Arabic. Moving on to Africa. Amharic, Amhari, Amhari. Somali, Somali, Somali. Swahili, Swahili, Swahili. Tamazight, Amazighi, Amazighi. Next is Europe. French, Faransi, Faransi. You might also hear Faransawi. Italian, Itali, Itali. Portuguese, Portugali, Portugali. German, Almani, Almani. Russian, Rusi, Rusi. Dutch, Hollandi, Hollandi. Greek, Yunani, Yunani. Our next area is going to be Asia. Turkish, Turki, Turki. Chinese, Sini, Sini. Japanese, Yabani, Yabani. Persian, Farisi, Farisi. Hindi, Hindi, Hindi. Urdu, Urdi, Urdi. Bengali, Bengali, Bengali. Indonesian, Indonesi, Indonesi. Hebrew, Ibri, Ibri. With our newfound vocabulary, let's look at some example sentences. Do you know how to speak Arabic addressed to a male? تعرف تحكي عربي? تعرف means do you know how? تحكي means to speak. عربي means Arabic. تعرف تحكي عربي? Here's how to say it addressed to a female. Do you know how to speak Arabic? تعرفي تحكي عربي? تعرفي means do you know how? تحكي means to speak. And عربي means Arabic. تعرفي تحكي عربي? I know how to speak a little Arabic. بعرف أحكي شوية عربي. بعرف means I know how. أحكي means to speak. شوية means a little. And عربي means Arabic. بعرف أحكي شوية عربي. I speak Arabic well. بحكي عربي منيح. بحكي means I speak. عربي means Arabic. And منيح means well. بحكي عربي منيح. I'm learning to speak Japanese. عم بتعلم أحكي ياباني. عم بتعلم means I'm learning. أحكي means to speak. And ياباني means Japanese. عم بتعلم أحكي ياباني. I speak broken English. بحكي إنجليزي مكسر. بحكي means I speak. إنجليزي means English. And مكسر means broken. بحكي إنجليزي مكسر. I get by in French. بمشي حالي بالفرنسي. بمشي حالي actually means I walk myself, but it's used as a phrase to mean I get by. بالفرنسي means in French. بمشي حالي بالفرنسي. I know a few words in Somali. بعرف كم كلمة بالصومالي. بعرف means I know. كم means a few. كلمة means word. بالصومالي means in Somali. بعرف كم كلمة بالصومالي. In Lebanese Arabic, they say this. باللبناني بيقولوا هيدي. باللبناني means in Lebanese Arabic. بيقولوا means they say, and هيدي means this. باللبناني بيقولوا هيدي. I don't understand the Moroccan dialect. ما بفهم اللهجة المغربية. ما is a negator word. بفهم means I understand. اللهجة means the dialect. المغربية means the Moroccan. ما بفهم اللهجة المغربية. At home we speak Turkish. بالبيت بنحكي تركي. بالبيت means at home. بنحكي means we speak. And Turkey means Turkish. بالبيت بنحكي تركي. And that's it for today. Don't forget to check out the PDF that goes with this video. And if you want to check out the platform italki for one-on-one tutoring sessions, the link to get $10 after your first purchase will be in the description box below. See you in the next video. مع السلامة.